Danko bafowethu, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport bafowethu. Sibonile bafowethu ngendlela iKaizer Chiefs edlale ngakhona, and that was a great performance bafowethu. As I said in the last videos that I made, to say Kaizer Chiefs today, if they put Uvele by Vilakazi, and then uThabo Cele, yes, simbonile bhazi, kusasenama question mark. At least Umthetho, we know that he is good at defending. At defending we can see Hugo Bruce bafowethu naye ukhona uzobhekelela so that he can scout which players can he use. And bafowethu Monyane bafowethu, a great performance, even him bafowethu. But let's not take away a play from Ushabalala bafowethu and Uvilakazi. That was a great performance as well bafowethu. These boys, they has it bafowethu. I have been saying ukuthi Uvilakazi, if he can stop being scared and then Ushabalala ayeke lento yakhe ukusaba bafowethu, these boys are great bafowethu. These boys are great. And then bese kube indoda yakwaSilva. Hey, le ndoda yakwaSilva bafowethu, hayi ngeke njalo wena nje mayingena nje ufuna ukushaya inqaku, mayingena nje eshaya inqaku, hayi bafowethu ngeke phumani kuyo le out. And cishe yafaka igoli lesibili lakhe nje, should bese uphuma ngo5 bafowethu, ngoba sike sabona nama-player nama-fan nawo sekacela 5. Kodwa ke hayi ama-fan ajabulile bafowethu, ikhosi lijabulile. They were owing us this happiness bafowethu all along. I think kancane bafowethu bayagaina i-confidence bafowethu. Look at this boy bafowethu, nkosi yami bafowethu, look at his happiness. You can see i-happiness yakhe bafowethu, umjida ukuthi ujabule kakhulu bafowethu. And yiyo lento esiyidingayo bafowethu. We need that for a team. As ama-supporters bafowethu, we really need the happiness and the good performance. I heard Junior Kanye saying Kaizer Chiefs will just finish by 1-0 because there is no creativity. And he didn't know ukuthi hey, something is coming, something is cooking and is coming. Ngiyabona even nakwi-channel yabo, they didn't go and post, bayekela amanye amajita ahamba ayokhomenta. Them, him and Kululeko, they didn't go there. Please subscribe guys and help.